Hopefully my fan is not too loud, but it is absolutely freezing in my room. I'm going in with a layer of Stella Black before doing some stamping. So I'm going to cure that in a lamp and then come back and show you the stamping plate. So this stamping plate is just from AliExpress, so it's 2 Joy plus 0.75, and we're going to be, oh hello, there I am. We're going to be using this one here for the design. Now a layer of Phantom Prisms from Stella Gel, which is a cat eye holographic gel. So I'm just going to do a layer of that over the black and then use my magnet to create a beautiful magnetic design before stamping over the top. Okay, watch the magic happen. Look at those. The beautiful magnetic particles moving. How gorgeous is that? So I'm just going to move that around a little bit until I move the particles exactly where I want them, and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp. For this next part I want to work quickly, so I've got my plate ready, I've got my nail ready, I've got the black from Born Pretty, got my stamper and scraper, and now we're going to transfer the design onto my stamper and stamp it on. Roll that on, we've got a lovely design there. Look at that dust on the inside of the stamper, oh my goodness. That definitely needs clearing out, but I can show you how to do that. There we go. And then you can top coat that and your design is done. So you want to make sure you're cleaning your plate between each design. I like to use these cotton pads because they just are a bit better at picking up the normal nail polish, well, stamping polish. So give it a good wipe, and because it's so thin, the acetone will evaporate immediately and it's ready for the next stamping. To clean your stamper, you've got your stamper here. I've got a lint roller, and to get that off I just do this on the stamper, and then obviously we can see that the dust is on the inside, so you can remove the jelly head and place it on the roller to just give it a clean. There we go. So that's the way you clean it. Don't use any acetone or anything on these, as they are very delicate and you don't want them to go all cloudy. Pop a layer of top coat on, cure that in the lamp, and then the design is done. Look at that holographic cat eye shift, and then the stamp over the top. I think it goes really well together. I hope you enjoyed.